Hey everybody, I wanted to do a little uh, stash update and a mail call. I don't usually do those very often, but I've had some pretty cool stuff come in and want to do a quick video on it. So for the mail call part, I got a card from Mutt Modeler for Craig. Very cool channel out there. If you guys ain't subbed to him, please check him out. He always puts a 48-hour build together, and that's kind of what ended up getting me into YouTube. So thank you, Craig. And then Heartbeat Model Garage, or Model Shop, my mistake. Rick and Cletus, thank you very much. Always like to see what you guys come out with. So during the 48-hour build, I got into a new channel called Throttle Power, and he did 3 tractors out of a kit, the Lotus Indy turbine car kit, and there it is. Sorry about that. And I saw that tractor and I was like, man, that would look really cool in that shack on my alley diorama, so I had to go and get me one. So the car is pretty cool. I seen Sean got it. Maybe someday we'll do a buddy build on it. We'll get that one built up. It's a cool car, but it kind of looks like a doorstop to me, the way they got it designed right here. So I mostly got it for the tractor, and I thought that would be pretty cool in one of the dioramas. So I actually got it all cut out, stripped, ready for paint. I might get brave and try to make a silicone mold out of it. I'm not very good at it, but the only way to get better is to do it more and more. So I got that. I got this one. I don't see this one very often, and I saw it on the Model Hut. It was pretty cheap, so I actually got that in today. Couldn't beat it for that price, but it's a pretty cool car. Something you don't see every day. Got pretty cool tail lights. I haven't opened it up yet, but I'll probably wait till it comes time to actually building it. This one here, I've seen Brian at BG and Charlie Mack actually just built this one not too long ago. And they had such a great success with it that I saw it at that website too and thought I might as well give it a shot, because theirs turned out so great. You can't go wrong with a good kit. So ended up getting that. And this one just came in too. The old Liberty Walk Skyline. And Tom at Rambler 69 actually did one of these not too long ago. Turned out great. It's a great looking kit. It feels pretty heavy. There must be a lot in there. Always like these old Honda Civics, and I saw this race car version of it and thought, man, that'd be a great kit to get. Now, this one's from Hasegawa. Let's see how big the body is. I haven't even opened this one up yet, so it's pretty small. And cars were pretty small cars. But I figured this one I won't be able to see very often or find it. I saw it and had to get it. I don't know when it's been released, but I got that one. And get the other Top Secret to Sylvia. I've always liked this kit. Like back when I first started getting back into model building, I thought, man, I need to get that one, and I never went and got it. So I finally did. But looking at this picture, it looks really high off the ground, and you know, that car was a ground dragger pretty much for aerodynamics. So once I get in there, I'm gonna have to look and see how it actually looks. I'm hoping that it's actually closer to the ground. But that one's a pretty cool kit. And then Keith actually just showed this one. I had it ordered, and then his video came up, and I was thinking, man, I'm really glad I ordered that. And it came in, so I actually got it. I was actually watching videos of vintage racing that was actually filmed out into, it was off in England somewhere. Those cars that usually I don't get to see. And it was really sharp. So I looked and seen, and then I saw this model kit, and I was like, well, gotta get it. What happens when you're addicted to it? You just can't get away from it. There's that one. And then a little while ago, I was at my hobby shop, and then I got the new 74 Galaxy police car, mostly because it's the James Bond car. I really love the James Bond movies. The Diamonds Are Forever is the one that it's actually based in. That's the one where they're racing around in Vegas, and he's in the parking lot, and they got a bunch of them chasing him, and he actually gets them all to wreck their cars, and he drives off, and the sheriff's like, I think he got him. And there he ended up going, driving right by him. But you can't have this one and just have that police car, because people are going to see it and not realize anything. So you got to give them a little hint. So I went and found that one. So this is the car that actually Bond was driving around quite a bit with. This was the one that they're chasing him in. It was a 70s or 71, somewhere in there, Mustang that was actually in the movie. 73. It's a touch different. I think the headlights and the taillights are different, but unless you're looking picture to picture, it's going to be pretty darn close to it. This one comes with a lot of different accessories, so you can actually make it a full-blown race car. You can make it just a plain Mach 1, and then you can make it a custom Mach 1 with the hole in the hood, and it's got velocity stacks and all that. So there is some cool stuff like the roll cage, and then it has louvers and stuff. I'm pretty sure I can use another Mustang kits or so. So there's a lot of extra pieces in there. So I will be eventually doing the Mach 1 that James Bond will be in, and then the actual police car that was chasing him around. And I don't know if I showed you guys that I got this one in not too long ago. Transition Modeler was showing quite a bit of kits out there, and I think I did show you guys this one. But so as you can tell, I've been watching you guys' videos, and my bank account has been hurting from it, but that's the fun of doing models. Bad influence. I'm sure that ain't the only ones that I just got not too long ago. But I also did get a couple things. I did just have them out. So. And then for the diorama. The alley diorama I did. So you actually can buy this Woodland Scenics pack, and it's the flowers. And the pack actually comes with 4 colors. It comes with orange, white, and red, and yellow. And it's just a finely ground down foam with the color in it. And so like on your static grass, you put the little tiny bit of glue on the tops of where you actually want the flowers, and then you can sprinkle that down and sprinkle, let it dry, and then sprinkle off the excess or extra. So I figured I'd get that. That'd be a nice little touch to add some weeds and some wildflowers and stuff like that for that diorama, plus all the other ones I'm doing. And then here is the fruit. So you got your apples and your oranges. Comes in a packet too. I thought, well, I'll probably end up using those. They're a little under scale, but they don't have to be apples and oranges. They could be something else. But I got that. And I did get a couple other things. They get me a pack of that. I haven't tried this brand yet, but a lot of people end up doing some pretty good stuff with it. And some olive green bushes. This is a bigger chunk of foam to add to my arsenal of diorama building. So I still haven't sent out my shop cards. I feel really bad for it, but I've been completely exhausted from work. I don't know if you guys have noticed that my videos have not been coming out as often as they usually have. Apologize for that too. I'm really excited with all the new subscribers, all the comments that are out. Channel's going great. The 28th was this channel's 1-year anniversary, and so in 1 year I went to 350 subscribers on the nose, and super happy with it. I never realized how far I could get on YouTube until now, and it's very exciting to see it grow. Addicting to actually do stuff with it. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you then, and hope you have a great weekend. Bye.